Hello, Mayhem Makers, Mindy with Quilting Mayhem, and we're still unboxing more and more fabric, which I love because, you know, the fabric floors need a refresh. We did that huge fat quarter sale and everything during May, so a lot of old stuff we thankfully got out the door, so thank you to all of you who helped us clear out the store. And now I gotta have all this new good stuff, right? So, this collection, Garden Lights, Robert Kaufman. Look how fun this is. I like the brightness. And this is just a fun floral piece. It's got those ferns in there. It's very kind of Pacific Northwest, but bright. So this is how you keep the rain away, is you make everything bright and fun. Look at these cute owls. Upside down. There we go. They're just super fun. I think this is one of my favorite pieces. This with the little fireflies in the jar. It's okay. I wish we had fireflies here. I do miss visiting my daughter in Michigan because they had fireflies everywhere. Once again, upside down. Look how fun though. And it's almost, dare I say, psychedelic colors. Very bright. This firefly print. This is adorable. More florals. So good companion pieces. This kind of pinks and purples. And then we've got this blender piece, which is a little smaller scale in the print. And then a couple pieces with kind of your moth, butterfly look. I'm more a moth person than a butterfly person, but I think this is a mix of all of them. It's kind of cute, kind of fun. I love it. Hope you enjoyed. Keep on stitching.